Dear learners, now we are at the last end part of our software testing chapter, wherein we have already covered different aspects of software testing, and at the end, we will be seeing risk management or risk handling in software testing. Every business has a risk. We already studied how risk is handled in case of software testing while we were testing the softwares at different levels. Risk is at different levels, so we have seen that at the unit level, at integration level, at system level, we have already minimized risk by correcting errors. But still, when we are designing a software or a package, online system, real-time systems, when we are designing certain problems, when we are giving solution to the business community, there has to be a separate dealing for managing risk in software testing. So in this chapter, we are going to see how we are going to manage the risk. So risk management involves various levels of handling the risk, starting from initial requirement analysis till the installation. So in order to manage the risk, we have to see, identify, assess, prioritize, and minimize the risk factors when we are testing softwares. The risk management process involves five basic stages. We have to plan activities of risk management. We have to track the risk involved in various testing activities. In order to manage, we have to control those risk factors, identify minutely various risks involved in testing process, analyze, and again we have to plan for next level of managing the risk. There are different practices when we are doing risk management. Software risk evaluation, it is called SRE, software risk evaluation. Next is continuous risk management, CRM. Continuous risk management, we have to check the risk at various levels continuously. For example, if you are going for certain development, we have to see and handle the risk at various levels, like business level risk, financial risk, operational risk, or at the time of installment of or installation of risk. We have to check technology risk also. Team of risk management will be involved, various software professionals starting from programmers, testers, network administrators, to check the risk at different levels. The risk also involves various causes. What is the cause of the risk? So we have to check, like physical level, system level. We have to find out the root cause of the risk, and there will be various tools available to find out the risk at different levels, like brainstorming, flowchart or processing, mapping, cause and effect diagrams, and benchmarking marking. When we are doing all this, we have to see that we are at minimum risk. The risk is minimum when we are testing any software. So what will be the factors that we will be checking will be safety testing. In this safety testing, software system aimed at optimizing system safety in the design, development, use and maintenance of the software system. We cannot take the risk at different levels because it is going to create problems in the future. When we are creating any software, risk has to be minimized at all the levels. Goals of safety testing, there will be different goals, like we will be developing complex systems, we will be contributing to different problem solutions at the industry level. Number of safety critical interfaces will be available, like networking, different virus scanning softwares. We have to see that we are not prone to various cyber attacks. Your software should be safe from different cyber attackers. So there will be various testing methods: sanity testing, scalability testing, performance testing, scenario testing. We also have to see how your schedules are prepared, because good schedule will give less risk. We have to plan, and we have to check the scripts, various different level. We have to check the security of testing. Now security will involve various factors like confidentiality. Like confidentiality is very important when you are developing software. We cannot share important code, core business code, for public domain. So this is very risky in present scenario to share your core business software code with the public domain. Anyone can misuse it. Integrity also is important. Your software, your test should be integrated, and no one should access or no one should play with your integrity of your software. Authentication, like we have to check passwords, logins, users, creating users. Authorization is very important, because at different levels authority is going to be given to the various levels of your users, but still we have to check and control authorization. Availability of your software to maximum users. So when we are giving availability, again it creates a problem for checking the misuse or malfunctioning of software by different unauthorized users. We have to check security testing techniques like injection, broken authentication and session management, cross-site scripting, insecure direct object references, security misconfiguration, sensitive data exposure. We cannot give access to sensitive data to unauthorized users. Though you may feel that security availability is important, but we cannot play with a sensitive data. And if there is a problem, then it's very high risk. It takes lot of time, lot of money, lot of effort to manage and breach or control the risk if sensitive data is breached. Missing function level access control, cross-site request forgery, using components with known vulnerabilities, and unvalidated redirects and forwards. There are many open source or free security testing tools, like products are like, they may be from FXCOP from Microsoft, Find Bugs from the University of Maryland, Flaw Finder from GPL, Ramp Ascend GPL. But we have to see whether these free available softwares are reliable or not. Commercial security testing tools are Armorize, CodeSecure. Armorize Technology is the vendor of this. Grammatech from Grammatech, AppScan from IBM, Veracode from Veracode, and these tools again requires your expertise to use them and how you are going to use it. Nowadays, even simulation packages are available for testing security aspects. Now, simulation may be costly, it can be time consuming, and it may require different aspects of simulation packages. So, in order to summarize, we have to see and manage risk at different levels. Risk handling is done by programmer, risk handling is done by various design people at different levels. So I hope you get general idea about important aspect of risk management in testing course, and I expect, if you want, you can contact on the email address or on the phone for difficulties. I thank again for patient listening, and I hope these sessions will benefit you. Thank you.